Okay, here we go. These guys had this brilliant idea to do mouse trap grip tape. Here's a funny joke. You knew it! Here, Chloe. Are you kidding me? Look what they want us to do. What do you mean, are you kidding me? Oh no.
Wait, whoa. Those are loaded, Aaron.
Hey, Carlos. Oh! This can't be done, no.
Here, put your shoe in the big one. No, don't hold that, Aaron. Aaron, don't hold that. Do not hold that.
Why is everything we're doing scary today?
You ready?
It's Halloween.
I guess so.
Oh!
Wait, you leave your shoe in there so it like clamps your shoe.
Same.
I've had a bad experience and I'm...
Why are you so good at that?
Yep. Nothing.
I just wanted to clamp it.
Oh my gosh.
I was originally going to buy just the big ones and grip the board with the big ones.
Oh, thanks, Daniel. Good on ya, Daniel.
All right, so someone's got to step on all these when they're loaded. Aaron.
Freaking me out. It's freaking me out.
Aaron.
Chloe's setting up for the Braille House party. It's okay, just grab this one. Ah!
Hey, Chris, come here.
Ah! Are any of these set?
I have an idea. Punishment game of skate. Whoever loses has to step in the big mouse trap.
You are a bad person today, Gabe.
You do have this one too, by the way.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. We'll play a game of skate. Whoever loses has to step in that.
With bare feet.
No!
Dude, you guys are so boring. Here, Aaron, touch it.
I already did. My finger marks are in that. Mine's in there too. No.
Oh.
Mouse trap game of skate?
Yep.
Who comes up with these ideas?
Here's what we're going to do. You two are going to play. Aaron, you're going to ref. You guys are going to Rochambeau. Whoever wins gets to choose what board they're skating. And go first. This could be the most important Rochambeau of your
Winner
life.
takes all.
Rochambeau.
Fight!
Oh, man.
I picked the blue board.
I mean, he does hand
He picked the glue board. Oh! Can you imagine? It's killing me. It's killing every part of me. It's killing. Oh! Try! Oh. Okay. Look, there's got to be holes in my feet. I swear there are holes.
Well, this is going to take a while.
We setting all of them?
Yeah.
You dare me to?
Yeah, I do.
I'm so scared. We're ready to go.
What if you left him out and you actually caught mice and then skated him?
I love how Carlos's fingers are all up in there. Oh. Trust me, no. No, Gabe. No. Oh, don't touch the restaurant! Oh.
I've made a mistake.
Yes, you
I've
did.
made a grave mistake.
All right, guys. Carlos is going first. He's setting the trick. Good luck.
Stick to me like that. Oh, that's really off.
They're more stuck to your feet.
I know.
It's actually getting me.
It didn't hurt that bad, but it was just like scary, like feeling it.
I didn't
You were a brave man. Thank you.
Thank you. Like,
Oh. Hey, you figured out how to double
flicked.
flip.
I feel like there's gonna be like one more that goes off.
Good.
I actually think he was smart and picked the easier board.
I think so.
Although these little things are flying off everywhere, and that in itself is quite the hazard.
Carlos did get the fully harder board, dude.
He's done. He's done for.
Just step on those two while you're at it. Oh! That was the funniest thing I've ever seen. Once Carlos figures out his flick, it's over.
Yeah.
Oh!
Don't mind my misshaped foot.
Too much glue on that flick.
Wow.
One random glue strap. One
Wow.
one glue trap stuck to the board. That's actually incredible that he could do that.
I know.
Wow.
He's really stuck on there.
Oh!
He fully landed and then couldn't ride away.
Carlos actually looks like a duck with those. Oh, a trap broke. Victor, no!
Snap! Ah!
See if it still arms.
Oh, trust me, it arms. I'll be throwing it at you later. Who does that? Who just does that on the mouse? Just why would you guys? How in the world?
Good.
S?
Finally, we've drawn blood.
He only has an S?
Yeah. Yes!
Sorry, I just got the image of Mario in his costume right now. Still the same.
Nasty. Dirty.
Okay.
Okay.
Hold up.
It's not gonna hurt,
Full
right?
send?
How bad could it be?
That wasn't bad at all.
Dust fully came out of your shoe.
Should have slow-moed that to see all the dust particles.
It
Just
just went. What's going on with the flick?
So it's really unpredictable because there's so many different layers of like obstacle for your foot to go across. Like these bars,
So the grip is good.
it's
Well,
inconsistent.
It's good and bad at the same time.
So like it's really hard to flick past these guys, and then you got these little, like it's just kind of challenge.
Hey, you're losing your sticky traps. You better reapply.
I'm doing it. There we go. Problem, solution.
It looks like he's like a nurse at the hospital wearing Spanx.
These are sticky chunkless.
That land reminds me of rodents.
Ugh.
He literally lands everything.
I know. He doesn't even do that trick. He's probably never landed in his entire life. Bye-bye.
What's going on with those skeletons over there?
They're just hanging.
Whoa!
Does that mean I can push you?
Hey, it's Triceratops.
Hey, bear.
Triceratops.
Slippery too, huh?
Yeah, like if I land in the right spot, it's like there's no grip there.
Oh, yeah.
Serious issues, this guy.
Oh, yeah.
He wanted to miss it. He actually accidentally landed it.
We skate flat ground a lot, and it's just that much harder, right?
It's much harder.
Yeah, we didn't really get an update. I guess Carlos is slippery and his is sticky.
Yeah.
Although Carlos is glue and his is a trap.
I'm so confused.
Most girls find that trick attractive.
You know, I think it's just
Trap.
more loud than anything. Here, Aaron, let me close it on you halfway.
Okay.
Oh wait, no, this is.
I'm not letting you close it
Just
on
halfway,
me.
just like
no.
this, just like this.
You. Go ahead.
Jerk.
It's like less than a
Carlos is
centimeter.
doing it. He's willing.
Hold up. No, because it
No,
hit.
wait,
It
look,
hit. No, don't let it hit right here. Go on like the
don't let it
the
hit your
meatier part.
Farther. Farther. Farther.
No.
Farther. Just go. Now, go. Ow! Okay, that's where it's done.
Glue on his feet, traps on his hands.
He's like a frantic mouse at this point.
A falling spider.
Wait. I say we count that. Wow. Oh! Oh gosh.
I don't think he's got that. I don't think he's got this one. No.
Hey, he stayed up though. That's a
Yeah.
win.
Yeah.
That is so
Switch
dirty.
pressure flip, and he popped it like this high. This is the craziest thing I've ever seen.
Oh shoot, that's a good one.
Dang, boy.
I hate volleys.
Hey, seriously, guys, scurry up and finish this game.
Got him. Nollie, fakey, double, fakey,
Man,
ollie,
you
nollie,
would've been out.
volley. No.
He really snapped with that one.
Thank you. Just stay here and give me mouse puns.
Okay, I think I'm out.
Carlos is really gluing it together. How did he land that? How did he land? The board was like...
Dang, one more try.
One more try.
Oh, wow. Best game ever? Oh. He really switched up on that one. Woo, you got that.
I feel like this is the kind of trick that he can do, though.
Oh, it is.
You know what I mean?
Sure. Oh, no.
And here I thought it was never going to end.
Carlos, you're the victor.
Oh,
Wow.
I'd like to thank my Mickey Mouse Club. I don't know.
I lost. Incredible. All right, guys, we hope you had a blast watching this video, and we hope that you, yes, you yourself learned to skateboard. Go to brailleskateboarding.com. You can get everything you need there. You can get skateboard videos, how to skateboard. You can get skateboards, wheels, stickers, literally anything you need. Go to brailleskateboarding.com. They have it there. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We had an absolute blast making it. There are tons of other videos similar to this one in this incredible playlist that you can click on and go and watch all those other videos. You guys are the absolute best, so thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and I'll see you in the next video.